When it comes to your business's legal structure, the decision can be make or break. Many businesses have inadvertently steered themselves toward financial ruin by choosing the wrong entity type. In today's Taxes Made Simple, we'll explore whether your business is well suited for the S-Corporation model and delve into the consequences of a mismatch. Before we delve into the decision-making process, let's understand what an S-Corporation is all about. An S-Corporation is a tax designation in the United States that offers unique advantages, but it's not suitable for every business. Switching to an S-Corporation can bring several benefits to your business. These advantages may include tax savings, limited liability protection, flexible ownership, and capital raising potential. Now, let's address the pivotal question. Is switching to an S-Corporation the right move for your business? To make an informed decision, consider factors such as business size, shareholder limit, tax considerations, and compliance and record-keeping requirements. Choosing the wrong business entity can have significant consequences. If you mistakenly opt for an S-Corporation when it's not the right fit, you may encounter various challenges. You might face unfavorable tax treatment, resulting in higher tax liabilities for your business. Restrictions on growth. The limitations of an S-Corporation can hinder your business's growth and fundraising potential. Compliance issues. Failure to meet S-Corporation requirements could lead to penalties and legal troubles. In conclusion, the decision to switch to an S-Corporation should be based on a thorough understanding of your business's size, goals, and financial situation. Seeking professional advice from a tax expert or attorney is advisable to ensure you make the right choice for your business's future. For more in-depth knowledge that will impact your life, subscribe and let us know what you think of the subjects. Until next time, let us improve our lives one day at a time.